Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE releases circular on Class 10 Second Board Examinations 2026 LOC submission, directs affiliated schools to finalize LOC data online and pay fees only through digital modes, fixes fee at 320 rupees per subject in India, 1,100 rupees per subject in Nepal and 2,200 rupees per subject in other countries. Imposes 2,000 rupees late fee on delayed finalization, bars corrections after fee payment, advises schools to print checklist before fee payment, warns overseas schools of 2 to 3 days swift update delays, and says no extension will be given beyond the prescribed schedule. Refer the official CBSE circular for complete details. CBSE launches Integrated Payment System for Practical Examinations 2026 after completion of practicals to pay schools, observers and external examiners at revised remuneration, conveyance and refreshment rates, directing affiliated schools to complete data entry, verify bank details and freeze records under principal's review from March 17th to 31st, permitting refreezing from April 1st to 15th. Starting payment release from 23rd March in the first phase and 6th April in the refreezing phase, with the portal set to close on 16th April. CBSE issues circular for face-to-face teacher capacity building programs on mandatory skill education in classes 6 to 8 using NCERT's Kaushal Bodh books. Schedules 4 Sahodhya linked CBPs from March 19th to 28th in New Delhi, Odisha, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh, with 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. sessions, no fee or travelling allowance or dearness allowance, direct venue confirmation, and master trainer selection for cascading implementation. For schedule, refer to CBSE official circular. NCERT issues advisory on NEP 2020 aligned textbook reform, announces new textbooks for classes 1 to 8 in print and digital formats, says class 9 books will be introduced from academic session 2026 to 27 with draft syllabi placed in public domain for feedback, confirms existing class 10 and 11 books will continue in 2026 to 27 as new textbooks for these grades will roll out from 2027 to 28, calls it a step towards competency-based, learner-centric education, and urges teachers to strengthen students' prerequisite learning for smooth transition. Uttarakhand police bust pirated NCERT textbook racket in Rudrapur, sees over 11.3 lakh fake books worth nearly 11 crore rupees from Kiratpur warehouse and mini truck. NCERT team confirms illegal printing due to missing watermark, poor quality and fake ACERT marking. Forensic probe begins, and case filed as police trace suspected interstate supply links to UP, Chhattisgarh and Telangana. Delhi University launches Coffee with Vice Chancellor initiative to facilitate direct student interaction with VC Yogesh Singh, holds first session with Miranda House students, discusses AI use, VACs, SECs, moral values, patriotism, campus safety and India's 2047 vision, and announces more future sessions to address student concerns openly. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721 707 0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.